Welcome to Knowledge in Your Fingertip class.
Okay, let us we study about something regarding the division of cell division. There are two types of cell division. One is mitosis and meiosis, and mitosis is also known as equational cell division. As in the later stage, it gives Ang1, which is resembles to their parents in their chromosomal number, that is 2n, and in the latest young one it have also even number of chromosomes. Then meiosis is nothing but it is a reductional cell division, but it firstly it divides in the equational manner, and then it divides a reductional number of chromosomes. And mitosis is mainly because mainly concerned with the somatic cells, and meiosis is during the reproduction case of sexually producing organism. Then let us study about mitosis. Cytokinesis, okay, that is a division of cytoplasm, that is we know cytokinesis. Then okay, okay, next mitosis, some history regarding the mitosis, and the name, first name coined by Walter Fleming. And mitos means a thread like structure, and it is a process of nuclear division. Okay, nuclear division in case of mitosis. Replicated DNA molecules are segregated into two nucleus. Okay, one nucleus, that is from parent nucleus, are divided into two, and they have the same chromosomal number. Okay, both daughter and parent have same number of chromosomes. That's why we call that equational cell division. Then stages in mitosis. What are the stages are followed throughout the process of mitosis means, first one, this is mainly there are some interphase are coming, and later prophase and metaphase and anaphase and telophase. Prometaphase is nothing but it is a preparatory stage of metaphase. So okay, then before the initiation of mitosis, as I told in previous, so that is the interphase. It is nothing but it is a duplication of DNA material, copies of DNA, formation of copies of DNA, and their nuclear material increases. Then next one, interphase. Then prophase. In prophase, that is the first stage of mitosis. The chromosomes to, okay, what do you chromosomes is nothing attached. Chromosome is nothing but it is a material which is responsible for the transfer of a generation genes from parent material to and to the young one, and it is a structure and function unit of DNA genes. Then chromosome, two chromatids attached together at a centromere which has a structure kinetochore. Okay, here it is a structure called kinetochore which is attached to the two chromatids. Chromatids is nothing but it is chromatids. Okay, then spindle fibers form from microtubules. Okay, spindle fibers are formed from microtubules, and centrosome associated with the spindle move away from the one towards the other pole. Okay, centrosome, and move towards the other pole. Then nucleoles gradually disappear. Okay, there are kinetochores are present, and nucleoles gradually disappear. Then spindle, okay, prometaphase, as I told in previous, the metaphase is prometaphase is nothing but the prior stage of metaphase. Okay, in this stage, the spindle fibers, okay, spindle fibers attached to kinetochores of chromosome, then chromosomes moves to spindle equator. Okay, in the moves to spindle equator, but it cannot arrange at the equatorial plane, because in the metaphase the chromosomes are attached at the center of the cell. Chromosome moves towards the spindle equator, nuclear membrane and nucleolus completely disappear. Then chromosomes are arranged at equatorial phase. This is the main phase of metaphase. Okay, then centrosome splits and sister chromatids separate, move to opposite poles, spindle fibers shortens in case of anaphase, and spindle fibers disappears. Okay, in case of a telophase, it is a last stage and last stage of mitosis, and nucleolus and nuclear membrane reappear. Okay, and the formation of cell plate in case of that is some cytogenesis, there are formation of cell plate or furrow are present. Chromosome uncoil and into chromatin fibers. Okay, then the stage of mitosis and cell division, it is from briefly we see that what are the stages are followed through. And first is interphase, as I told you, it is nothing but it is a synthetic phase. The duplication of DNA material is taken place in this interphase. Then prophase and late metaprophase. Okay, late prophase is also known as prometaphase. Then metaphase, anaphase, telophase and cytogenesis, daughter cells. Okay, in this mitosis, what are the main points is to remember? It is who coined the term of mitosis? Walter Fleming. And mitos means a thread-like structure. Then it is a process of nuclear division. Okay, karyokinesis is nothing but it is a division of a nuclear membrane and follow the formation of new DNA. Okay, and DNA molecules are segregated into two nucleus. It is something but a segregated nucleus. Okay, then after nucleus there is a formation of two cells. Then what are the stages? Okay, what are the main activity which is happening through different stages? And interphase is nothing but a presence of the duplicate of copies of DNA. Then prophase, one main important point is this chromosome means two chromatids attached to the centromere, which has a structure of kinetochores. Okay, kinetochores is nothing but it helps the chromatids to attach through centromere. Okay, spindle fibers form from microtubules. Okay, microtubules. Okay, in case of animal cell, there is a microtubules. Okay, to form spindle fibers. Okay, in case of a centriole is absent in animal cell. Okay, centriole is absent in plant cell. Therefore, there is a centromere is responsible to formation of spindle fibers. Then so on. Then kinetochores promote. Okay, metaphase important activities is chromosomes are attached to are arranged in the equatorial plane. Then centrosome splits and sister chromatids separate. Okay, splits and separate in case of anaphase, then move towards the opposite pole, and this spindle fibers disappear, and the formation of nucleus and the nuclear membrane are formed in case of telophase. Then chromosome uncoil into chromatin fibers. Okay, this is an important then as I told, after the telophase there is a cytogenesis. What do you mean by cytogenesis? Is nothing but it is a formation of a cell membrane and cell wall divides. Then in case of animal there is a cleavage furrow, and in case of plant cell there is in case of animals there is a formation of cell plate. Then animal cell and plant cell. Okay, and it is nothing but it is a In animal cell there is a formation of cell plate, and in case of plant cell there is a furrow. Furrow means constriction like structures are in between the two cells. Then here it is a microscopic view of stages, and here is the interphase, then prophase and metaphase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase, then telophase. Okay, it is here you can see that in interphase there is a increase in doubling of the DNA material, and in case of a prophase, the chromosomes are present in the nucleolus in a condensed manner. Then in case of prometaphase, the chromosomes are more attached, rearranged and move towards the equatorial region. Then there is a metaphase, the all chromosomes are attached, okay, rearranged and attached, okay, move towards the equatorial plane, then arranged in the equatorial plane. In case of anaphase, the chromosomes are moved towards the opposite poles, and in case of telophase there is a formation of a new cell.